Most people get this wrong when their iTunes gift card says, "Invalid code." They immediately assume the card is fake or hacked. But here's the truth no one tells you. In many cases, the problem is something simple that can be fixed in minutes. In this video, I'll show you exactly why your iTunes or Apple gift card code may not be working in 2026, the fastest fixes that actually work, and the one mistake that can permanently delay your balance recovery. Stay until the end, because I'll also explain what to do if Apple says the code has already been redeemed. First, let's get straight to the biggest issue. Most invalid code errors happen because the code is entered incorrectly. This sounds obvious, but this is where most people fail. Apple gift card codes contain a mix of letters and numbers that can look almost identical. For example, people confuse the number 0 with the letter O all the time. Jake kept retrying the same code for 20 minutes, before realizing he entered one wrong character. So here's the first fix. Slowly retype the code manually instead of scanning it. Double-check every character before pressing redeem. But here's the problem. Sometimes the scratch-off area damages the code itself. This happens more often than people realize. If the card was scratched too hard, part of the code may become unreadable. Now here's where it gets interesting. Apple can sometimes recover the balance even if part of the code is missing. But you absolutely need the original purchase receipt. In a minute, I'll show you exactly why that receipt matters more than the card itself. Before that, try another quick fix. Make sure you are redeeming the card in the correct Apple account region. Some gift cards only work in specific countries. For example, a US iTunes gift card may not work on an Indian Apple ID account. Alex bought a discounted card online and kept getting an invalid code error. The card was real, but it was locked to a different region. Another common issue is internet or app problems. Sign out of your Apple account, restart the App Store or Apple Music app, then sign back in and try again. Small sync issues can trigger invalid code messages. Now, let's talk about the scary message users hate seeing. This code has already been redeemed. But here's the truth. That does not always mean someone stole your balance. Sometimes users accidentally redeemed the card on another Apple account years ago and forgot. Go into your Apple purchase history and gift card balance section first. If the balance is missing completely, contact Apple support directly with the receipt, the card photo, and the serial number. And here's the biggest mistake you need to avoid. Never buy heavily discounted iTunes gift cards from random sellers online. Many invalid code problems come from already used or stolen cards. So to recap, recheck the code carefully, confirm the account region, restart your Apple account session, and keep the receipt if the code is damaged or already redeemed. If this video helped you fix your iTunes gift card issue, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which fix worked for you.